Hi guys, would you like to know how you can build a campaign like this to promote all your products? I'm Carmen, Product Marketing Manager here at StoryChief, and today I want to show you how one of our clients is able to build campaigns to promote their products on StoryChief. On your StoryChief dashboard, just open a conversation with William. You can type your question or your prompt here, or you can use one of the predefined examples here at the bottom, such as create a content campaign. In my case, I'm going to ask William to build a campaign around this product. I want him to build a campaign for the ski season, and he's going to create some tailored images and some good blog articles and social posts. So let William do the magic, do his research and analysis, and he will pull up a full campaign for us. And just like this, in less than it takes me to get a coffee, William has built a full campaign to promote this product during the ski season. So let's see what we have in here. On the left-hand side, we have the chat with William, where we can find my original question, all his research and analysis, everything that he's gone through to create this campaign. And at the bottom, I can also just keep chatting with him. I can keep asking him things about the campaign, to get more assets, to fine-tune the campaign, anything I need. On the right-hand side, I have all the assets. So first of all, I have all the images that are tailored to my product and my audience. I can save them to my media library. I can also download them or just copy a URL. And then I can also see an outline with my campaign, which is crazy because I can find everything I need in here. So I find my goal, the positioning, what is my audience, all the messaging, the 4-week planning. I find all the details here that I need to actually build and put my campaign into action. And I also have a few articles and a few social posts. So each article is fully SEO and GEO optimized. It has everything needed to be ready to be published. I find also the excerpt, the keyword, the meta title, meta description. So I can just save it as an article and it will go into my draft list of articles. And the same with social media posts. I have all the socials in here with the images, and I can already save them as a draft social post in my StoryChief account. So what else can you do in here with this canvas? You can click on the fit button at the top right just to find the overview, and you can zoom in and zoom out to see any single detail. Here as well, you find all the artifacts that William has created, and you can jump to one another just to see something in detail as well. Next to that, something that is very cool and really emphasize collaboration with your team or clients is the share button. So you can enable the public link and you can share this campaign with everyone, even though they don't have a StoryChief login. So they can all see the details, the full campaign. They can zoom in, they can zoom out. They can really see everything within this campaign, but they won't be able to make any changes and they cannot delete the campaign. Next to that, you can also find all the previous conversations and projects. So you can go back to any project, you can keep working on any of them, and you can keep building all your assets in there. And if you want to create a new conversation, you just open a new chat with William, and so you can get started again. So are you ready to bring your campaigns to the next level? Go to storychief.io. I found it out.